Hi, my name is Henry and I'm one of the certified veterinary technicians at Pearl Animal Hospital. And today I want to talk to you about something that is often overlooked, especially in our feline pets at home, and that's home oral health care. So most cats, it's not surprising, most cats do not like their teeth brushed. So I'm going to show you another way that we can try and reduce the amount of plaque and tartar accumulation on your pet at home. Now, home oral care is one of the most important things that you can do for your pet and limiting and preventing dental disease. Dental disease, not only does it look and smell bad, but it also can be a cause of extreme pain and discomfort for your pet at home. And it can deposit bacteria into the bloodstream and it can affect major organs such as the liver and kidneys. So keeping the teeth clean and healthy isn't just a cosmetic thing, it actually does serve a purpose to keep the whole animal healthy as possible. So there's a couple of different things that you can do to promote home oral care, and it's kind of a multi-step process, and we do that via toothbrushing, which is the number one way to reduce the amount of plaque and tartar buildup, and then veterinary approved treats and chews, and there are some water additives and oral rinses that can also be used for home care. There's dental diets, there are dental chews. These are cat chews that are coated in a chlorhexidine solution, which reduces the amount of bacteria in the mouth. And I like the chlorhexidine oral rinse. So what we're going to do here is I've got Flomar, and we're going to go ahead and clean her teeth. Now, with cats, what we can do, since they don't really tolerate a toothbrush very well, some cats do, and I will have a second part to this video with a patient that does tolerate toothbrushing very, very well. But what we do is we wipe the teeth with gauze. So gauze, it's soft enough to not cause damage to the delicate tissues of the mouth, but it is just abrasive enough to go ahead and take off the plaque film on the teeth that later forms into that stony tartar that we have to go in and take off under anesthesia. So what you can do is you can either use this dry, or you can use a oral rinse on it just to further increase the cleaning. So what I do is I take the gauze square and I just kind of wrap it around my finger. And this is just normal gauze that can be picked up at any pharmacy. It doesn't have to be sterile. And what I like to do is kind of get the patient or your pet down into the corner of my body like so. And cats have this really cool built-in feature that makes teeth wiping really, really easy. So when you take a cat and you pet them, and you just kind of pull the face back a little bit. I know it looks really strange. It kind of pulls their lips back a little bit. And what you can do is you just get in there and you just wipe these teeth. And you want to go all the way as far back as you can go. And then we'll give Flomar a little break here. She tolerates that really well. And what you'll see is you'll see like a yellow sticky film that will start to show up on your gauze. And that's the plaque that is forming on the teeth. So we're just simply wiping that away. Now what you can also do is if your pet tolerates it, you can take a little bit of a dental rinse and squirt that on the gauze. And we can, again, wipe the teeth in the same fashion. Now this is taking the plaque off of the teeth, and it's also depositing the additive onto the teeth. So we're kind of getting a 2-for-1 special here. So then we want to pay close attention to those canine teeth, these guys right in the front. And we can do the incisors in the front real quick. And then we just want to do the other side, just like so. Now, tooth wiping and toothbrushing can be a very quick process. Again, we want to make sure we give them lots of love, lots of rewards, and make it a positive and rewarding experience. You want to be cautious. If your cat has a little bit of a shorter fuse than Flomar here, she did let me get quite a bit done before she had decided that she had had enough. So it's important to pay close attention to the cues that your pet's giving you because we don't want you getting bit. So that is just a quick rundown of how you can kind of pseudo-brush your cat's teeth at home. And like I had said earlier, we'll go ahead and get that second part up where we have a feline patient that actually allows and enjoys toothbrushing later on. Again, if you have any questions on home oral care for cats, or if you have any suggestions for videos that you'd like to see, please feel free to email us at ask_us@pearlanimalhospital.com. Thanks a lot. We'll see you guys soon.